Hi, I'm Asanana Priya, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Bharatiya Arts and Science College for Women. Today, we see the topic is differential equation and its application in real life. So now we see about what is differential equation. An equation containing the derivative of one or more dependent variable with respect to one or more independent variable is said to be a differential equation, and it can be classified into two types. One is ordinary differential equation and another one is partial differential equation. An equation involving derivative with respect to a single independent variable is said to be an ordinary differential equation. This example we have d square y divided by dx square plus dy divided by dx plus 2x is equal to 0. Here we see the single independent variable, that is denoted by x. Next we see about what is partial differential equation. An equation involving derivative with respect to two or more independent variable is called a partial differential equation. Here we see the example, that is dou square u divided by dou x square plus dou square u divided by dou y square is equal to 0. Here we see the two independent variable, that is x and y. In ordinary differential equation, the operator is denoted by d, and the partial differential equation, the operator is denoted by dou. Now, the differential equation arises as like the areas are said to be all branches of engineering, economics, biology and medicine, chemistry, physics, planetary motions, and etc. Now, we see the application of differential equation in real life. Now, we have the best example to show that application of differential equation in real life. Now, we assume that in a company, fix a job for the employee as to make a open box for using square sheet of cardboard. This is considered as a job for this company. So, the employee have some idea, that is to maximize volume of boxes in order to increases the profit of our company. This is aim of our company. So we have the following steps to be followed here. That is, one is the square paper of length is 60 centimeter. It is a known condition of the value. The whole length of the square paper is 60 centimeter. We find what about the cutted area value x of the square paper. It is denoted by the picture. We see that like the four corner is a cutted area, that is denoted by x. Then you fix the value x. Now you know the value x to get the maximum volume of the open box to form. It is a process of this problem. So we know that we form the cuboid box. So we use the formula, that is like volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Now we see the picture of right hand side. The four corner of the square paper is denoted by x. It is a cutted area that is mentioned, that is the four corner, it is denoted by the cutted area. Then the whole length and breadth of this square paper is 60 centimeter. Now we have the cutted area of the four corner, that is denoted by x. So the remaining part of the length, we have the value is 60 minus 2x, and the breadth of the remaining part of the value is 60 minus 2x. So it is denoted by here, that is this length is equal to 60 minus 2x and breadth is equal to 60 minus 2x, and the height is not known of the value, so it is denoted by x. So substitute this value is here, that is volume, that is v is equal to length 60 minus 2x and breadth 60 minus 2x, and the height is replaced by x. So 60 minus 2x and 60 minus 2x is taken as to be a 60 minus 2x the whole square into multiple of x. Here we use the formula, that is a minus b whole square is expanded by the formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we have the value, that is a is equal to 60 and b is equal to 2x. So substitute this value here, we get the value 3600 plus 4x square minus 240x into multiple of x. So each term multiple of x, we get the value is v is equal to 3600x plus 4x cube minus 240x square. Finally, we get the volume V is equal to 4x cube minus 240x square plus 3600x. Here it is considered to be a function of the term, that is volume V is equal to 4x cube minus 240x square plus 3600x. It is taken as to be the equation 1. Now we find the volume is minimum or maximum. So we used to solve it by the differential equation. Already we have the function of the term, that is volume is denoted by V is equal to 4x cube minus 240x square plus 3600x. Now it is differentiating with respect to the variable x only. We get the value is dV divided by dx is equal to 12x square minus 480x plus 3600. Now we find the value of x. So it is considered to be a part of the term, that is to be 12x square minus 480x plus 3600 is equal to 0. It is considered of the term. We find the value of x. So commonly divided by 12, we get the value is x square minus 48x plus 300 is equal to 0. Here we have the value of the quadratic form, x square minus 48x plus 300 is equal to 0. So it can be classified into the factor of the term, that is x minus 10 into x minus 30 is equal to 0. Therefore we get the value of x is defined by x minus 10 is equal to 0. Here we get the value, that is x is equal to 10, and the remaining part of the term x minus 30 is equal to 0. We get the value of x is equal to 30. Therefore we get the value of x is equal to 10 and x is equal to 30. Now we substitute the value, that is cutted area, x is equal to 10 in equation 1, that is the volume of V. We get the value is volume V is equal to 4x cube minus 240x square plus 3600x. Now replace x is replaced by 10. We get the value of equation 1. We get the volume V is equal to 4 of 10 cube minus 240 of 10 square plus 3600 of 10. Finally we get the simplify of the term, that is 10 cube of 10 square, and the multiple of the term, each term a multiple of the term. So we get the finally simplify the value, that is volume V is equal to 16,000 centimeter cube. Now we check the value, that is volume is maximum or minimum of the cutted area x is equal to 10. The volume of V is maximum or minimum. So now we check it by the some ideas. So now we find the value is maximum or minimum. So we check it by the using differential equation of the value, second differential equation. So if it is a minimum, it becomes a greater than 0, or if it is maximum, it becomes a less than 0. That is what is, we say that the second differential equation of the value is less than 0 means it becomes a maximum value, and the second differential equation of the value is greater than 0 means it becomes a minimum number of value that is to be considered. So it is chosen to be, we get the value x is equal to 10 is right or not, the value is correct or not. So now again differentiating equation 1 with respect to x by, we get the value, that is the second differential equation, equation 1m plus d square v divided by dx square is equal to 24x minus 480. At x is equal to 10 only we substitute the value. So we here also we substitute this value is x is equal to 10. So d square v divided by dx square at the second order differential equation, at x is equal to 10 the value is great. D square v divided by dx square at x is equal to 10 is equal to 24 into x is replaced by 10. Therefore 24 into 10 minus 480. We get the value of multiple of the term 24 into 10. We get the answer is 240 minus 480. It is a subtract of the term. It is a higher sign of the value, that is minus 480 plus 240. So we get the value is minus 240. So the second differential equation, that is d square v divided by dx square at a point x is equal to 10, the cutted area is equal to minus 240. This minus 240 is the negative value of the value. It is a less than 0. So if it is less than 0 means the value is considered as to be a maximum. Already we know that. So it is less than 0. So x is equal to 10 is the maximum value of the cutted area. So if x is equal to 10 is the cutted area means the value v is the maximum value of the consider of the box. So if it is not is taken as the less than 0, this considered as to be a positive value means I did not take the value of x is equal to 10 as the cutted area. So it is a minimum number of the values are given. So did not choose one of the cutted area. But here in second order differential equation we have the value that is negative sign of the value minus 240. It becomes a less than 0 of the value. So conformly we consider as the x is equal to 10 cutted area is the maximum volume to be produced of the cuboid box. So finally we got the solution of this problem, that is the differential equation is used for finally solved by the problems easily. For cut the square of 10 cross 10 centimeter from corner to maximize the volume of the boxes. That is the 10 cross 10 centimeter of the area cutted area is to be marked and cutted of the pieces that like the whole maximum of the boxes is maximum of the value. So we get the form of the maximum number of volume of the cuboid box. So finally we get the solution of this problem. Thank you.